Our research looks at the role of digital technologies in the lives of young people and their communities and how technology can be leveraged in order to promote resilience.
Young people today face significant challenges. They're the most highly educated generation we've ever had, and yet they still face and underemployment. They will be the first generation not to own their own home, and they face significant challenges to their mental health and well-being. Stress is a really leading concern for young people, as are other big social issues like climate change and so on.
That's why it's so important that we're able to undertake child and youth-centred research like we are here today at the climate protests.
Coming up with innovative and new ways to solve the new problems that come with the 21st century is a really necessary and a good thing to be involved in. And I think that having young people involved in these things is so important because basically it's our future and we have to kind of know what we're dealing with and know how to deal with that.
I'm really interested in shifting perceptions of what it's like to be a young person in Western Sydney, and through this amplifying the voices of young people and supporting them to be leaders or co-instigators of positive social change.
One of the key aims of our work is to produce actionable data and outputs of research that can be directly channelled into decision making by policymakers, professionals and indeed by young people leading their own initiatives.
Our work's already had impact at a local level here in Western Sydney, but also at a national and an international scale. We've worked with young people in Parramatta to map the emotional landscape of this city in order to feed into local strategies to support young people's well-being and resilience. And at an international level, we've worked now with children and young people in over 40 countries to understand how they use digital technology to support their well-being. And that work has directly influenced global policy making via organisations like UNICEF and the International Telecommunications Union.
That's what's so exciting about Young and Resilient is that by putting young people at the centre of the research design process, we know that we're actually going to be getting evidence that is much, much more relevant to the issues that we're trying to tackle.
I think it really allows our organisation to be at the forefront of social change, but in a really genuinely responsible way. We love working with Young and Resilient because we have that two-way relationship where we get to work together to improve the lives of young people.
I'm really amazed with the body of research that has come out of the Young and Resilient Research Centre. It's been groundbreaking in many ways, and I know in the future, as they continue to work with young people, for young people, that even more groundbreaking research will help all of us in our quest to make the internet a safer, more positive, empowering place, and to help young people and their parents and educators navigate the online risks.